Hi guys, so today I just joined this server. Everyone starts off with a shulker box. So basically my friend sorted this out. And I don't know where everyone else is. And I'm not going to be collabing. Because this is Quest. I don't know what to actually call this series. Can you guys think of a name down below? But my friend is on it too. So me and her might be collabing. I don't know. If you want me to collab with her, comment down below. Also leave a like on this video. And basically, yeah, this is my shulker box. Everyone gets given a stack of torches because there's not enough room in their shulker box. But I actually know where I want to live already. Because it looks nice around here. I literally want to just live right here. I know you can't see me, but I literally just pointed at the screen. Oh, down there. There's gold already. I found gold already? Okay. So let me get my shulker box out. Okay, so sorry about the sounds. Let me sort them out. Also, guys, what they've done is they said they're gonna sort it out. Is they forgot to give us bone for our dogs. So they said that we can hop into creative to get them. We're only allowed to get a stack of torches. That's all we're allowed to get. No other things. Well, no stack of torches. I mean a stack of bones. It's because I could see torches. Like, I'm gonna get them and be happy. See you in a minute, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm back. Okay. Why the hell was I just starting that? Let me get this. These can actually stay there. I'm just gonna get these out for now. And I'm gonna actually try and tame the dogs. Also, guys, we have to put this in our building. So, like, say if someone came up here and they didn't know that it was me, because I built, like, say if I built a black house. So they thought it was, like, a different person. You have to incorporate that to your build. So, I'm the red person. So, yeah. Okay. Oh, forgot you'll be hostile because there's a blooming sheep right there. No, come back here. Come back here. Come back here. I mean, I'm getting free stuff for it. No. Please stop. Oh. Come on. Say if I dig a hole, I'm going to put them in a hole. So if I do this... Yeah, I know I can't get out, but... Number 5... Okay. The reason why I'm not doing it one block down is because it will actually... Come on, dog. I've done something to my finger, so when I press walk, it hurts to my finger. And does it feel painful? Oh my god, I don't need you to go down there, thank you very much. Dun, dun. really use that many bones, but I mean, I guess they might come handy in the series. I mean, you know what they could have just done? They could have just gave us 2 wolves each. Well, my friend who actually created the server could have just gave us 2 wolves each, and then they basically they could have mated. Okay, there we go, and I'm going to be building my house here. Also, guys, comment down below what you want me to build my house as. So I want to take it directly from you guys. Because I don't want to do it like, oh, I want to build this, so I'm going to build this. Because I want to know what you guys want me to build. Doggies. Oh yeah, you also have red cards. Okay, I'm going down in the mine. That will kill me. My stuff is all down there. Oh my god. They never set that as my spawn point. Hopefully it doesn't burn me. Hopefully it doesn't burn me. Hopefully it doesn't burn me. Also, if you want me to put face cam on for these videos, I will. They told me if you die and you spawn in a lava pit, that spawn should be somewhere. By somewhere, I mean I can't remember the coordinates. Why can I not pronounce words? Just because I cannot pronounce words. Oh yeah, I see a spawn over there. Doesn't matter. Since because we're by a desert biome, and I've been like the second person on. She said she went off in like the lava pit direction because she died, so yeah. I need to get my stuff back though, so. So, yeah. Oh yeah, why didn't my armor help me? This kills me now. Flip. I'm done for it, and I just died again. Why did I not... 1 minute, guys. I'm going to have to go in game mode creative just to get my stuff back. Because this is ridiculous now. Ah, flips. Flipsies. And I don't want my stuff to despawn. Because that will just be bad, because, yeah. Then I have to go in creative to actually get my stuff back. And I can't remember what I had, so yeah. So good job my dogs never came with me. I'll end this video off in a minute. Tell me whether you're going to be enjoying this series, because I'm going to try and post it once every day. Look, I'm going to go in game mode survival, and I'm going to end it off here. Bye guys, peace out.